screwdriver. Where's my screwdriver? It's here. You see these two tongues here, this one. It looks different than all the other magnets here. You see? Oops. There's nothing. There's nothing. Nothing. Nothing and nothing, and but this is different. So you can take a stator. We have it screwed up here. Zoom a little bit out. To pick up the special coil and all the other coils, and you see here at the pickup, you see all the two tongues. The flywheel gives the signal to the pickup, and it's very important that these two tongues are correlating with these two. And how can we check that? Well, look at here. That's a pickup, and it sits here. This is, you see, where the two tongues are. You see them here. And this should be aligned. So, not too deep, not too low, just here, perfectly aligned. We just buy a plasticine. We take a little bit, and then we have a drink. Green goes along. That's a beer from. So we have the plasticine. We just put it here. At the spot where the two tongues are. Then we take the stator with the pickup and put it there. You have to imagine this situation when the stator is actually on the engine case. And now now we can see where the pickup sits, and this is now what we're gonna do with an engine and properly mounted stator. There we have the two tongues for the pickup. So it is in this area. We have the pickup here, and we need to align it with the area, the two tongues here in the flywheel. Some Play-doh, plasticine from the kids. Just put it here in that area. And now we mount the flywheel. We just push it onto the crankshaft stump. We know that the groove is here. We know where the groove is at. And the flywheel, just push it on. Now, scheiße, What we just realized is that the pickup, due to the crankshaft stump, sits way too low. The flywheel sits too high, so we have to lift the pickup. We'll do that with losing the screw. Taking out the pickup and putting some washers on the screw, and as well putting some washers on the stator, so that the stator, the pickup, everything gets higher. We have around 3 to 4 millimeters a too high sitting flywheel, so we have to get the stator higher. In case of the pickup screw, we're gonna take 2 washers, 2 6mm washers, the thickness of it 1 millimeter each, so we win 2 millimeters, and then we're gonna raise the stator for 1 or 2 millimeters.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?
Et voilà.